Welcome to Smart Sign to Go. We're so excited you've decided to join our family of digital signage enthusiasts. Today we're going to show you how to set up the Ultra model device, which is a Google Chrome box made by AOpen. This is a military grade device, fantastic for kiosk use, and it's very simple to set up once we've configured it for you. So if you've received one from us, it's already configured. All we need to do is take a look at what came in the box. We've got our power supply sitting here. I've got an HDMI cable that came with it. Device itself, of course, and this handy little keyboard mouse device. The cable that comes with that is only for charging the battery in the keyboard. So don't think that you can connect this to the player device. It's just for charging the keyboard. So what we want to do is flip the keyboard over, and inside you'll find this handy little USB receiver. We're going to pull that out and insert it into any of the USB ports on your player. Just do that right now, and you'll see it in a second. We can put the battery cover back on just because. And then what we want to do is at the top, you'll find an on-off switch. Make sure you turn that on. And now we can communicate with the device. Beyond that, of course, we want to, first of all, install the Wi-Fi antennas. I've already done that here. When they come out of the box, you're going to have little rubber boots over these receptacles. And you just take those off and then screw the antennas on and position them wherever it's convenient with your installation. This, of course, comes with a wall bracket as well, so you can secure it to the wall. It's a little bit heavy, so that's handy. And then we just take our HDMI cable and plug it into either of the HDMI ports. They'll both work in the same way. And then, of course, we have our power cord, which you'll find the input for. It's this tiny little hole on the back side there. Plug that in. And now it will boot up, and we can proceed with the on-screen setup. To connect your Ultra player to your Wi-Fi, it's quite easy, and this goes for any Chrome device that we've set up for you. You'll eventually see this screen or something like it when the device boots up, and it's just a matter of taking your mouse and selecting your network and then entering the password. Hit connect, and then the kiosk should automatically launch. And what we're going to see is a 6-digit registration code with a hyphen in the middle. And you'll just want to enter that registration code in the players section of settings in your account online with us from a separate computer. You can also do that from your dashboard if you scroll down to the bottom and click the play button on any of your channels. You can register the device there, and always be sure to choose a channel for it wherever you're registering the device. So keep in mind you'll also need the hyphen when you're typing in this code. If you have any questions about this process, we'll be happy to take your call.